Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to offset extrude. So you can go to the new drawings. I will use in millimeter. As example, I will create for the base body. So I will draw the rectangle object and then use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to create the extrude offset from the top face, first we need to create plans to set the offset distance. Okay, you can select the top face, use the offset from plan. Now you can move, like I will move into here a bit, 1 millimeter, click OK. Now you can draw sketch in the plans, like we draw again rectangle, click finish. Now we can extrude the rectangle objects and click OK. So to be create the offset between these two body. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to offset extrude.